In the video, he talks about how the universe is growing and that galaxies are accelerating away from us. Um, More or less, the space between the galaxies are stretching rather than the galaxies themselves are accelerating, because the galaxies themselves are standing still, and the space between them is stretching, which makes it seem like the galaxies are accelerating away from us. Um, as the galaxies continue to move away from us, or the space between them gets bigger, they start to cool, which means that planets that weren't habitable at this point could be habitable in the near future. Um, yeah, especially the planets that are partially habitable. Um, those could become habitable all over the planet. And as those galaxies cool, atoms and molecules combine, creating bigger compounds and different things. So with that being said, I do believe life would be able to form uh, this late into the universe, even though the universe is still relatively young. I do believe life would be able to develop. I don't think it would be intelligent life as of right now, but in the future, it may be. Um, yeah, I feel like life, such as microorganisms, may be able to develop, but as far as an intelligent life form like a human being or something of that nature, I don't believe um, those will develop in the near future.